ants in our picnic.
Ants!
Ants!
No.
And the worst is they are hungry. Hungry ants. They're going to eat all the salad.
No.
They're going to eat the cake. But
Oh,
No.
God.
yeah, what can we do? What can we do? Maybe we
Scare them, move!
Yeah, we can scare them. Or maybe we can make them smell some pepper. Okay, so who wants to be an ant? A hungry ant?
I
want to be
an ant.
Okay, good, David. You're an ant. Okay?
I want to be an ant.
Yes,
Thank
Ben. Good, good.
I want to be an ant.
Okay, exceptionally. We'll let you be an ant. So, we have 3 hungry ants because we only have 3 students, but you could do 5, 10, okay? And you give out the cards. Ready? So, you guys are going to a picnic.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So you're 3 hungry ants
3 hungry ants
marching in a line.
marching in a line.
Okay, so put yourselves in a line. Ooh, okay. Marching in a line.
Marching in a line.
Came across a picnic.
Came across a picnic
Where they could dine.
where they could dine.
They marched through the salad.
They marched through the salad.
They marched in the cake.
They marched in the cake.
They marched into the pepper.
They marched into the pepper.
Uh-oh!
Tap! Oh!
That was a mistake.
That was a mistake.
Achoo, you guys.
Achoo!
Good. Okay. How many ants are left? How many?
2.
1, 2. Good. Okay.
2 hungry ants marching in a line came upon a picnic where they could dine. They marched into the salad. They marched into the cake.
They marched into the pepper. Uh-oh, that was a mistake. Bye-bye, little
That was a
ants.
mistake!
Bye-bye. Okay. Ooh, how many ants? 1 little ant. Ha ha ha. I've got my pepper. Okay, ready? Everyone sing together. Ready? 1 hungry ant marching in a line came across the picnic where they could dine. It marched through the salad. It marched into the cake. It marched into the pepper. That was a mistake. The pepper did the trick, guys. Enjoy your picnics. Bye.